Hey, let me show you how can you fix problem when you cannot pair your Bluetooth device into your POCO F6 Pro. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to simply turn off your Bluetooth on the smartphone. And next, you will have to grab your device. In this case, I'm using my earbuds. You have to basically put them, you have to perform the reset or enter for the pairing mode manually. In my case, I have to just close the case, open it one more time, then click and hold side button and wait until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go. Now I can open the Bluetooth settings by clicking here, and let's wait for the available devices. It's available right now, so I can click on them and I will be connected just like this. And as you can see right now, everything is fine. But if you still have this issue that you cannot connect your device, I can recommend you to go for the more connectivity options, scroll all the way down and reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and the Bluetooth settings by clicking on this button. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.